Welcome. In this video I want to show you how to apply for a Ugandan passport online. So what you do, you go to your phone, computer, open the browser and enter this URL, passports.go.ug. It will open from this interface. Once you see this interface, you come here on start new application. So you click on start new application. It opens from this disclaimer. You accept the disclaimer, then you continue. First thing, you have to enter your phone number, and you can see it has already asterisks, which means that field is mandatory. So then you enter the security question. If you have the email, you can enter that email as well. Then here you enter the security question. You can choose any of the security question and you just fill that. And when you are done, you click save and continue. You go to another form of the applicant, this one here, that form. That's why you choose the type of passport you want. And place of submission and correction. When you're done with that, you go to the applicant. Under the applicant form, you fill in your personal details like names, district of residence, district of origin, your tribe. Yes, when you are done, you click save and continue here. Then it will take you to another form of citizenship. You can select either you are a citizen by birth or naturalization. Yes, so either a citizenship by registration. So you select any that fits that status. When you are done, sometimes if under the applicant you chose that you are single, you will not see this of spouse. This form of spouse will not appear. But if you selected married, then it will appear. Then you enter your spouse's details. Then here you enter your parents' details, your father, mother's details, their status, dead or alive. Yes, so you enter their information here. Then when you are done, you click save and continue on this button. Then it will take you to next of kin details. Here you enter the next of kin. Next of kin can be your mother, father, sister, brother. Yes. And when you are done with that page, then you enter your recommender. Recommender's information. Recommender can be someone, your boss, someone with a profession. Yes, someone with a profession, can be a doctor, can be a nurse, can be, yes. Who recommend? Remember, this person will write for you a letter, so you don't just put any person. This person needs to sign for you and write a letter, so this person should be aware. When you are done, you click save and continue. It will take you to next form of payment. You select the mode of payment. Do you want to pay online or you want to pay in the bank? You select that. If you want to pay the bank, you select the bank and save and continue. It will take you to the review and submit. You preview the page. If you preview information, if you find everything is clear, there you submit. Once you submit, the form will be assessment form will be generated with the charge of that price, what you are supposed to pay for the passport, with the PRN that you used to pay. Yes, then you can download that. Then use any form of payment that you selected. If you say the bank, you download, print it, go to the bank and pay. So when you are done, you come back to the system. You come back to the system and schedule appointment. Yes, and that is when you are done paying. you click on this schedule appointment. Then here it will ask you to enter the application number. This application number is on your assessment form. You enter it there. Here you enter your date of birth and surname. You enter this and click retrieve. Once you click retrieve, if the information you have entered here is correct, it will bring you to and it will take you to another page of dates. It will show you the dates available. Yes. So the green dates are available and the black dates are already taken. So you select which is favorable for you. After selecting that date, then you download that appointment form. Yeah. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Yeah. So and let's meet in another video.